Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we're putting two robot vacuums head-to-head in an epic showdown, the Tikom L9000 on the left and the Tikom robot vacuum on the right. Let's see which one sucks in the best way possible. Alright, let's talk navigation. Both vacuums boast 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, which sounds fancy, but let's break it down. The L9000 with its mapping technology can save up to 5 maps. Perfect if you live in a multi-floor mansion or just like to pretend you do. The Tikom robot vacuum also saves 5 maps, but it claims to have systematic path planning. Fancy words for we won't miss a spot or clean the same spot 10 times. Reviewers note that the Tikom robot vacuum's navigation is highly efficient and precise. So both vacuums can map your house like a pro, but the Tikom robot vacuum sounds like it might be a bit more OCD about it. Let's give the Tikom robot vacuum a tiny edge here. Next, let's talk suction power. The L9000 flexes with a whopping 4,000 pascals suction, while the Tikom robot vacuum lags behind at 3,000 pascals. Basically, the L9000 can suck up crumbs, dirt, and your will to live with its 4,000 pascals suction. Reviewers rave about its strong performance and ability to pick up everything in its path. Meanwhile, the Tikom robot vacuum does a decent job but might leave a few crumbs for your ants to enjoy. So if you want your floors cleaner than your conscience, the L9000 takes this round hands down. Both vacuums are 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping machines. The L9000 boasts an electronically controlled water pump with 3-level water output. The Tikom robot vacuum also has the same feature, but let's see if there's a difference. Both have a 300 milliliters dustbin and a 250 milliliters water tank. Reviewers appreciate the mopping function on both models, stating that it works adequately for basic tasks. So it's a tie here, folks. They both mop like a dream, or like your mom wishes you would. Battery life is crucial. Both vacuums claim to run for 150 minutes in quiet mode and auto-return to their charging stations. But here's the kicker. The Tikom robot vacuum has a resume cleaning function. When it runs low on battery, it goes back to charge up to 80% and then picks up right where it left off. The L9000? It just goes to charge and takes a nap. Reviewers love the resume function on the Tikom robot vacuum, noting its efficiency for large areas. So if you want a vacuum with the work ethic of a marathon runner, the Tikom robot vacuum wins this one. Both vacuums can be controlled via the Tuya Smart app and are compatible with Alexa and Google Home. Both allow you to select cleaning modes, set no-go zones, and switch suction levels. However, the Tikom robot vacuum offers up to 20 virtual walls, whereas the L9000 offers 14 no-go zones. Reviewers find the app control intuitive and easy to use for both models. Basically, the Tikom robot vacuum is like your overprotective mom, always setting boundaries. The L9000? It's more like your cool uncle, still protective but a bit more laid back. Finally, let's talk about the price. The L9000 is $249, while the Tikom robot vacuum is $399. Is the Tikom robot vacuum worth the extra $150? For that extra money, you get slightly better navigation, a resume cleaning function, and more virtual walls. Reviewers feel that the added features justify the higher price for those who need them. But is it worth it? Depends on how much you value those features. If you want the best bang for your buck, the L9000 is your guy. But if you're willing to splurge for a few extra bells and whistles, go for the Tikom Robot Vacuum. Online reviews praise the Tikom L9000 for its efficient cleaning capabilities, strong suction, and phenomenal value for the price. On the other hand, the Tikom Robot Vacuum is lauded for its precise navigation, powerful performance, and advanced features, making it a premium choice for those willing to invest a bit more. That's it for today's showdown. Which vacuum do you think wins? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart episode. Until next time, happy shopping, and remember, buy smart. Product links are in the description.